Okay, right here you'll see that I've got a drum event-based timer up here. You can see if you look at it that for my events I'm using X2, X3, 4, and 5. So I've got 4 different events taking place. For my outputs I've got Y1, 2, 3, and 4, and they are going to correspond to my lights that are showing up over here. Okay. So what you're going to see is when I push X2, it should go to the next event. In other words, it's going to move down to the second step. So when I push that, and again, that is my push button, and what you will see is that you will actually see it go to the second step, like I said before, and it will require me to push the green push button to do that. Okay, so I need to sync these up. These are going to be 2 separate videos that I've got to kind of link together here. So I will try to go through this and hopefully you'll see that. You'll see me pushing other buttons out of sequence to try to get this to work. And you'll notice that nothing changes until I make the next event in my event-driven drum instruction. So I've got to push the green push button. I have to push the amber push button, is my X3. My X4 is the blue push button. And then my X5, which you see here, is going to be my selector switch, which would be this one that is already lit up over here. And when I get to that, that will complete all 4 steps. So then C1 will be true. And once that is true here, it will reset or bring it back up to step 1. Okay, so step 1 is X002 is the event that has to take place before we'll go to the next step. And again, that is my green push button, my amber push button, my blue push button, and then my last one is the selector switch, will cause it to return. Okay. The outputs are listed here, and again, those are the ones that you see in order here. So it's going to be red, green. Let's see if I got them right now. Red, that you see here. Y2 would be my blue one. I have to push this one, my blue light will come on. Then my amber light will come on when I push that. And then when I push the blue one, my green light will come on. So it's kind of in a reverse order here as far as how I push them. And then when I turn the selector switch, these lights will go out and my red one will come back on. You can also see that here in the way I've chosen, or I've decided how these are going to be activated or true. You can see that in the very first step, I've just got the red light on. In the next, after I go through the first event, I will have actually 2 lights on. The next event, it will give me 3 lights, and then the 4th event will give me 4 lights. And because this is now true, of course it'll reset and go back to 1. So anyway, I'm going to give that a try and we'll see how that goes. Okay, here it goes. Okay, you can see it from that me trying to trigger it as we went through these videos. You can see that the lights would only change as long as I hit the correct sequence of events. So that's how an event-based drum works. Okay, you saw me pushing other buttons trying to make this change or change state, and nothing happened. Okay, that should give you at least a start on how to create an event-driven drum instruction. Thank you, and goodbye.